Hi, I'm Lindsay Torgerson with Wine Country Family Law and Bankruptcy Office. So this weekend, like many of you, I binge watched the new docuseries on Netflix, Tiger King. For those of you who haven't watched it, it's about an eccentric man who calls himself Joe Exotic and his big cat, Zoo in Oklahoma. Joe had a lengthy ongoing feud with a prominent animal rights activist named Carol who ran a big cat rescue sanctuary in Florida. In an effort to try to divert website traffic from Carol's Big Cat Sanctuary site, Joe set up his own website. He copied Carol's business name Big Cat Rescue, but called it Big Cat Rescue Enterprises. Not surprisingly, Carol sued Joe for patent infringement. With the cameras rolling, Joe Exotic revealed the lawsuit against him and proudly proclaimed, "But I'm not stupid." He explained that nothing he had was in his name. And as a bankruptcy attorney, that's when my heart sank. I knew it was coming next. Joe explained he transferred his belongings into his husband's name and into his parents' names. So, sure enough, a couple scenes later, Joe Exotic's elderly mother and father are shown crying because the feds were prosecuting them and they were at risk of losing their home to Joe's creditors. All the while, Joe's poor parents still profess their son's innocence. The next scene was a picture of Joe's father's funeral announcement. I'm now in my 11th year helping people with their debts and filing bankruptcy for people. I can't tell you how many times people have asked me if they should put their cars or house into somebody else's name before they get a judgment against them or before they file bankruptcy. My answer is always the same. No, just no. Please, please, please do not do that. If you do, it's a fraudulent transfer. You risk dragging whomever was trying to help you into a serious lawsuit against them and against you. Not to mention, the item will likely still be confiscated. It's very easy for your creditors and the bankruptcy trustee who oversees your case to find out about these things. They can bring fraudulent transfer lawsuits against you to recover things going back several years depending on the jurisdiction you're in. So, my weekend binge watching of the Tiger King made me much more aware of the serious issue of wild animal trafficking in our country, but there were several other legal issues involved which would make any attorney's skin crawl. For me, it was the blatant fraudulent transfer of Joe's assets to his poor elderly parents and his naive young husband. Please, if you're having trouble with your creditors or you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, don't let this happen to you. If you have any questions about how you can protect your assets in the event of filing bankruptcy, please feel free to reach out to me. Be sure to click the subscribe button to see future episodes about how you can protect assets in bankruptcy. I'd love to hear from you in the comments about what made your skin crawl the most after watching The Tiger King. I'm Lindsay Torgerson from Wine Country Family Law and Bankruptcy Office. I hope this video helps you.